Good morning students. Today we are going to start exercise 10.5. We have already discussed some theorems that we are going to use in this exercise. So let's start question number 1. In the question number 1, ABC are the 3 points on a circle with center O such that angle BOC is 30 degree and angle BOA is 60 degree. If D is a point on the circle, this is the point D on the circle, other than the arc ABC, other than this arc ABC, you can see D lies outside this arc on the major arc, you can say that. Now we have to find the value of ADC. So how to find the value of ADC? We know that by the theorem 10.8 angle AOC is equals to twice the angle ADC. And what is angle AOC? Angle AOC is the addition of the two angles AOB and BOC, that is 60 plus 30, which is equals to 90. So now put the value of 90 here, because by theorem 10.8 angle AOC is always equals to twice the angle ADC. So 2 will come on this side and it will be divided with 90. So that is 45 degrees. So the value of angle ADC is 45 degree. Now in the question number 2, this is the figure. We have to make it from our own, from the question side. So what's given in the question? A chord of a circle is equals to the radius of the circle. So let AB be a chord which is equals to OA and OB. So these are the three sides which are equal to each other. You know that if it is an equilateral triangle, all of the three angles will be of 60 degree. So each angle will be of 60 degree of an equilateral triangle. Find the angle subtended by the chord. So this is the chord. It is the angle subtended by the chord in the major arc and in the minor arc. ACB is the angle which is subtended by it in the major arc, and ADB is the angle which is subtended by this chord AB is the angle subtended in the minor arc. So you need to find out these two values. So we can find out the value of this angle by the theorem 10.8. So you know that if this is 60, this angle will be the half of 60 degree. So it will be 30 degree. Fine. So you have to write by theorem 10.8 angle ACB is equals to half of angle AOB. So ACB is equals to 1 by 2 into 60 degree, which is equals to 30 degree. Now if this is 30, since ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral, so the sum of the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral is 180. So you need to find out the value of ADB. So 30 plus ADB will give you 180 degree. So 30 plus ABD will be 180 degree and ADB will be 180 minus 30 degree, which is equals to 150 degrees. So the angle subtended in the minor arc will be 150 degree. Now in the question number 3, we have this figure already given in the question. We need to find out the angles here. This angle X, let it be X. So we need to find here angle OPR, right? So how to find? First of all, we will find this angle. Then we will be able to find this angle by the angle sum property of this triangle. So we can't find it directly this, we can find it with the help of this. So we know that reflex of angle POR is equals to twice the angle PQR. So let's put the value here. PQR, we know that it's 100 degree. So it is 200 degree. So this much is 200 degree. So what it will be? This is 360 degree minus 200, which is equals to 160 degree. So this is equals to 160 degree. Now you know that OP and OR are the two radii of the same circle. So they are equal. So if this will become an isosceles triangle, and you know that if the opposite sides are equal, so the opposite angles are also equal. So this will also be X. So these are the three angles of this triangle POR. So by angle sum property, POR plus OPR plus ORP will give you 180 degree. So say 160 plus X will give you 180 degree. So 160 will go on that side, it will be subtracted. X plus X is 2X. So 2X will be equals to 180 minus 160, that is 20. X will be 20 divided by 2, that is 10 degrees. So the value of angle OPR will be 10 degrees. So with this, our question number 3 is also finished. Students, please do these questions in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.